I would like to share some ideas on Eco Campus or Eco Campus. Mainly, this eminent speaker has mentioned about some ideas related to chemistry and all, and mainly buildings and all. So, I would like to share some ideas on a small, micro level topic. My topic is a micro level, which is start from our own campus. My campus is, we're trying to make it an Eco Campus. So, now you'll be thinking why I shifted to Oikos International all of a sudden. We are working under Oikos International. It's an organization for the students in international level, and it's a network of students, mainly working with the motto of sustainable economics and management. And they're providing a lot of international exposure in the form of project leadership program, project development fund, and other programs. As part of this project leadership program, that is PLP, we have been implementing a project in our campus. We have been doing this project in our campus as campus sustainability through optimal use of waste, water, and energy. So, everybody should be having an idea about what campus sustainability and what's the optimal use of waste, water, and energy. So, as a student of our campus, we have initiated the project in our campus itself, and University Madras is having very heritage buildings in our state, and also it's following a very traditional method of architecture and all. So it has 6 campuses in Chennai, and the main campus is Chapter campus, which is this campus. As you can see, there are almost 7 major buildings in our campus. Satellite imagery provided by Google. There are 7 buildings in our campus. By initiating this project, first, we were having some questions in our mind. What to do, where to do, and how to do. So first we went for seeking gathering some knowledge regarding how to implement this project, and also to get some basic ideas regarding the energy usage and other consumption levels of energy within our campus. So we made some attempts. So we tried to make some assessment on the energy consumption and how much waste is generated, what are the major sources of waste in our campus, and we, members of Oikos, and also students of the Department of Geography, we made small assessment in our campus. You can see that there are 2 major biggest buildings are there. One is the library building, and another one is the centenary building. These are the major buildings in our campus. So first we tried with the energy assessment. First of all, we created a small questionnaire. Then we distributed among ourselves, we friends, they use their free time to do their survey. And also the library block and the centenary building was surveyed. Few rooms, the centenary building was surveyed. This is a form of energy survey. You can see the energy consumed were listed, and also the number of consumables, the units of energy is consuming, and the operating process is also mentioned. This is the area and other things, and also the invigilator remark, which we think the feedback of the invigilator is very much important in a survey. So we have included that also, the invigilator remark. And this is the waste audit, or waste assessment. This is general library, the waste assessment, and we can see waste sources in that. The overall energy assessment that we got from the last one, last we got this overall assessment. You can see the sites are 281, 48, paper ball 48, and another thing which we noticed is that our university is already been getting into sustainable mode because it's been using CSL bulbs. It's not using any kind of normal bulbs, which is the filament bulbs anywhere. So it's a very good thing which we have noticed. And also it's fan safety, and these are all things we have surveyed in the library. And one thing we noticed is that the traditional architecture itself is providing some kind of energy management. You can see this is the main library building. Within this building, you can see 2 courtyards. So these courtyards provide ventilation. That means the fresh air can get into the library building, and also it will regulate the air which is present inside the building. Next one is the ceiling of the library building is too tall, so that the air can circulate in more space, thereby reducing the heat within the room. And the thing was that many number of windows were present there, so that it provides natural ventilation and natural lighting too. These are the findings we got after the assessment. And most of the bulbs and lights are used in the stacking of ground floor and subfloor where books are arranged. That means most of the bulbs were in the stacking. That means books were arranged where the books were arranged. Those places were having so many lights and bulbs. And also there is natural ventilation, but the surrounding buildings around the library building is of same height, so that it is preventing the natural light coming into the building. So that's another important thing we have noticed. Next one is the third floor, electric lights are used even though natural lighting is available. There's plenty of natural lighting is available, but even though they are using electric lights. And table lights and reading lights are used only after 5 p.m. only. Before that, natural lighting itself is providing the ability to read the books and all. Most of the rooms are having natural ventilation, but for installing the air conditioner, they will be blocking these windows to install this air conditioner, preventing the natural light from coming inside. Next one is many computers are there which are not working. Wherever they are not working, they have been switched on. So this wastage of energy is also going on in the library block, where many systems are not working, they are switched on. And these are some suggestions that we would like to suggest. Stack room and ground floor, motion sensors can be used. Motion sensors, I think most of them know the idea. And Mr. Well has given some ideas about new technologies that they are used in building control. And in motion sensors, the movement of people, the shadow coming are sensed by the sensors, and the light is switched on and switched off. This one is unused computers should be switched off, based on automatic switching, that's based on sunlight availability. By the sunset, it automatically gets switched on. By sunlight, it automatically gets switched off. This is once me and my team have visited the CAI building in Hyderabad. This is a green building. All the switches were previously mentioned by you, but I just want to show these two. This is a natural lighting system available in the building there. You can see the upper side windows. We used to have windows in the ground floor only, but in the lower and the upper portion these windows have been used so that the light can enter in the more level. Next one is switching. You can see that arrow there above. Those are the sensors what I have mentioned just before. These sensors detect the light, the amount of light. If it gets decreased after 6 p.m. in the evening time, it gets switched on automatically. So that there is no need to switch on before 4 or something by ourselves. So waste storage. It's a small building only, but the major source of waste has been organic waste. This is the canteen, where the major source of waste is coming from a small portion only. Okay. So after the assessment, we got this result. The place where large amount of waste generated in the campus is our canteen. Okay. Total amount of waste generated on weekdays is approximately 1.5 tons. On weekdays, that is working days like these days, it is about 1.5 tons are produced. The waste is generated. Yeah, per day. In weekend days, that means in Saturdays it's around just 1 ton. The number of people coming is low, so waste generation is also big. Yeah, these are the findings that we got from the canteen. Nearly daily 650 cups, paper cups. This is not just a single matter, but we can say for daily 650 cups are used. For 10 days it will be around 7,000 cups will be used. It's a big amount, I think. With that amount of paper, we can recycle it and can produce something else which will be useful for the other people also, and it just gets wasted. Next one is the plastic sheet. Once we had discussions with the canteen authorities, me and my project members, and we were almost successful in changing their mindset saying to use the plantain leaves, the banana leaves, and they started to use that. But recently they are again shifted to plastic sheet because I think that's more comfortable for them. Plastic sheet. I'm also really comfortable. Next one. This is an idea given by Steve Jobs related to sustainable idea. It's technology married with the river land, married with humanity that yields the results that make our hearts sing. So what I suggest is that we should use new technologies, and also we can cooperate with the campus so that we can make our campus more sustainable. And also I would like to invite more suggestions and ideas if you have, so that we welcome them most.
Proud today to see that Madras University, century over how many years? Roughly about 160 years old, 150 years. Now, I have a special attachment to this, though I was a student of the Noida College. My special subject was here in this building, economic growth, in economics, postgraduate in economic growth. I used to come here twice every week. So this building also was my own, I can come down on that. And then just old building, British style kind of building, taking up, it's an excellent